Today I'll be showing you how to perform the hip thrust exercise. This is one of my favorite ways to strengthen the glutes if you're somebody dealing with lower back pain because one, it's safe, two, it's effective, meaning it targets the glutes, and three, it's also challenging. It's a great way to challenge those glutes where sometimes maybe the glute bridge feels a bit too easy. The hip thrust can still target those glutes like the glute bridge, but in a more challenging way so that you can build even stronger glutes to protect your back and your knees. Let's go ahead and get started. To perform the hip thrust exercise, you will need a box or a bench or a couch or a chair, something that you can lean up against. The height, I've got about 20 inches here, which is good for my height. But again, you want to make sure when you're positioning this that it sits just right about the bottom of your shoulder blades is where mine's sitting, and that's a good height for it. From there, you're going to rest your arms on the side, bend your knees so your feet can get flat on the ground. And then from there, I'm just going to press through my feet to bring my hips up into the air. Coming up and coming down. So again, as you can see, a pretty straightforward movement. Again, at the top, you really want to press through those feet so those glutes are being activated, and you'll feel it in the hamstrings as well. It's a relatively straightforward exercise. The things that you want to watch out for are your foot position. So again, you don't want it too far out and you don't want it too close. Similar to the glute bridge, you want to find that perfect distance where when you come up, your shins should be about perpendicular to the ground. So not too far out here. I'm going to feel it more in my hamstrings, and not too close. I'm going to feel it in the quads. So find that middle ground. The other thing to watch out for that I see some people make the mistake of is you want your arms to just be supporting you. So again, I'm not actively up on my elbows like this trying to do it. The hinge point is my mid-back, and I'm just resting my elbows on this block as I perform. And again, I'm hinging at that mid-back, trying not to slide up and down and not put any weight or force in my elbows to balance me. They're really just there to keep you level. So that's it. That's how you perform the hip thrust. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes. So as I've said before, if you're somebody that's been dealing with lower back pain or knee pain as you get older, building strong glutes should be the cornerstone of your strength training routine. And the hip thrust is a great exercise to target those glutes in a nice, safe manner. Give it a try. Let me know how it goes.